Luck, if you've ever been a lady to begin with, luck be a lady to spin. If only Sinatra could see what the digital age has done. MyVegas Slots is a Facebook game for any PC equipped with Adobe Flash. Yes, Mac users, you can play too. It's part of your browser, so no disks or installs, and the best part, it's free. Well, technically the best part is you can get paid, but let's not jump ahead here. The concept of MyVegas Slots is a simple one. Play free slots in a virtual world and get tangible rewards in the real world. You start off with a pile of chips and a few unlocked slot games that pretty much play like regular slots. You set your bet, you press spin, and keep your fingers crossed as to whether you win or lose. What sets this game apart is the fact that it's actually sponsored by Play Studio's real-life casino partner, MGM Resorts International, meaning that as you play, you earn special points called loyalty points. As you build these points up, they can be cashed in for special coupons, credits, and freebies. Actual freebies. Free buffet passes, free show tickets, and yes, even free hotel stays on the real Las Vegas Strip. While the game has a pay-to-play option, it isn't actually required. As you progress and level up, you get daily bonus chips, bonuses from your virtual strip that you build, special contests, and even cheat codes that you can get from MGM's Facebook or better sites like MyVegas Advisor and MyVegasFreeChips.com. The gameplay is standard, consisting of regular video slots just like in real casinos, some that occasionally set up a mini-game for you to click around in, but don't expect much more interactivity than that. They also offer a Blackjack Game if you're bored of the slots, but it's limited to single deck rules and has its own progression system. The social aspect is the real selling point. By getting more of your friends to play, you get more free chips, loyalty points, and other bonuses to help you along in your quest for a cheap Vegas vacation. The only problem is that it's a flash-based game, which means you can't spam a session through your iPhone browser, and it can be a little more memory intensive. The graphics are colorful and bright, and the sound design is adequate, though I feel as if both categories would have benefited from a little more attention. The controls start stiff, but are easy to understand and offer more flexibility as your level increases and you improve in the game. The slots themselves are loose enough. The payback is enough to keep you playing, but at certain phases in the game you can't maintain a good chip package once you're encouraged to bet more. But it's fun, and more importantly, it's beneficial. We've shown off a few videos on the channel with all the lovely rewards you can cash in, and even have a player's guide for beginning or intermediate players. The odds seem stacked against you, but with patience, the game can be mastered and beaten. Check out our strategy guide in the description box below. MyVegas brings free stuff to your fingertips and earns 4 stars out of 5. And this has been Ace of Vegas, guys. Happy spinning.